Hey guys, so my allergies just started up again today because of all the pollen that's randomly deciding to be thrown out there because Texas is wonky, okay? But I just wanted to share with y'all what I am making today. So backstory, I got really mad at my towel hanger in my bathroom. And I mean, the freaking thing just kept sliding off, and every time I tighten it underneath, it just kept falling and falling. So I ripped it out, literally. So we have not had a towel rack for a year. So today I am going to solve our issue, and I am making a towel rack. Basically, I'm making a little ladder, and it looks so freaking cute already. I cut these boards that we already had, so it didn't cost me anything, and I already had the stain from my boxes, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna be crafty and I'm gonna build me a towel rack. Looking like it's gonna rain today, but I honestly don't think it's gonna. It's been doing that on and off for the past week. See, the thing though, here in Texas, like if it's gonna rain, you're not gonna know until it's raining. It could be absolutely gorgeous outside, and then all of a sudden, bam, it is straight up thunderstorm. So excited for this, you guys. It's gonna look so good. I'm just using my cheap little brush since it's such a small project. There's no need to use anything like to dirty up a brush that you're gonna have to clean. So I'll just use this one and then toss it after I'm done. Just have these few to finish, and then I am going to flip it over and do the back side. But this was a super simple project. It's amazing to me how much they charge for these, like at Hobby Lobby. Like they'll have like $45 on this. And it's like, y'all are freaking high, dude. There's no way I'm gonna pay you $45 for a freaking tiny ladder. And their wood that they're using is like way thinner and cheaper. So it's like, what the heck? Flip it. All this extra that's just kind of been chilling. Gotta get you and the side. But it really blows my mind what some people try and get for something that you only need a few tools to even make. Like they are taking advantage. I rarely go to Hobby Lobby anyway, but I mean they've got some cool stuff, but I think they do a lot better if their furniture wasn't crazy expensive. I'd go a lot more. Oh yeah. Look at that. I'm so stoked. Yeah, this wood was just chilling in our side shed over there. And I was like, you know what? If he needs something like this for something else, we can go buy it. It's been sitting over there for a hot minute. And as long as I'm putting it to use, I think we're good. Okay. See, super simple. Super simple, super gorgeous.